Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to add an extra layer of protection to your PDF files using watermarks. To configure these features, go to Security Center tab in your Academy settings and enable watermarks for PDFs. Once this option is activated, the system will automatically add a unique watermark to every PDF file that is viewed or downloaded. The watermark can contain information about the specific learners accessing the document. Next, choose the watermark placement. Three positions options are available, and you can use one or multiple positions at the same time. If needed, you can also customize the watermark text. To do this, select the Use Custom Text option and enter the desired text in the corresponding field. In addition, you can include dynamic variables in the watermark text. These variables will automatically insert user-specific information, helping to strengthen intellectual property protection and simplify the identification of the source if a file is shared without authorization. Once the settings are saved, all new PDF files will be automatically protected according to the selected configuration. I hope this helps and good luck with your Academy!